Hey, I am moving from daily uploads to 2 uploads a week, going back to work in person. It is Monday, the week after, and I'm still tired from last week. I have become dependent on coffee, and that's something I just don't want. It's not something that I want for myself. I just want to make sure I'm getting enough rest and not depending on any substance to make me feel better or well rested. I did start my Instagram. Follow me there. I will be much more active on there because, you know, it's a lot easier to make content for Instagram than YouTube, so I'll be on there also. And yeah, just thanks for sticking with me. I'm still here. I just won't be uploading YouTube as often. Got my green protein shake. So I may or may not have bought a coffee while I was out. I absolutely did. But I got this one, the Rebel cold brew coffee with protein. 12 grams of protein, adaptogens, ashwagandha, and maca root, and reishi. Hello. So this has like some real good stuff in it. MCTs, you know, we gotta get our fats in. Always get your fats in. And it also only has 4 grams of sugar, and it's dairy free. Hello. Alright, so it's time to meal prep. This is all for tuna pasta salad. Make sure you get the whole wheat. 100% whole wheat is even better. This is all Trader Joe's had. Whole wheat has insoluble fiber, which is good for your digestion, and then also it has prebiotic for dinner. I'm planning to make a seafood stock out of this and boil the quinoa and the shrimp together in it. We just don't like to make things harder than they have to be. When meal prepping, to be as time efficient as possible, start with the things that will take the longest. Quinoa and pasta have to be boiled, so while they're boiling, I'll be prepping all the vegetables and everything. Right now it is 3:20. All done.